Today is National Almond Day, and that makes me happy because I love almonds. And one of my favorite things to make with almonds is an Italian almond cake. It's simple, it's fast, it's really good, and it's one of my favorites. Does that look good or what? If you like bear claws or you like almond horns, you're gonna love this. Look at that. So what I did was I put just a little bit of powdered sugar on the outside, and you're thinking, well, how did I get that nice clean edge? Put a little bowl or plate there, and then just sprinkle some powdered sugar on the outside. The only other variation that is really good is if you put the batter on the bottom of the pan, and then put a little bit of like raspberry preserves, and then more batter on top. Then you have a little something in the middle. But let's taste this. I got nothing to say. Damn, that's good. Oh.